Alright, so the first thing we're going to do through our backcountry is we got a GGB Mountain Can, and we're going to be taking off the stock can and putting this on. So for us to do that, there is 2 T25s here, there is 2 here, and there is these two. I think. Yeah. These 2 as well. And we'll get to it and check back in a minute.
Oh, maybe not that one.
We'll figure it out. This one's probably the same.
Alright, maybe the screws were under here, he had mentioned.
I think it was only those ones and these ones, and then this comes off.
He said
no, there's 2 screws under here.
Yeah, but this comes off and flips up. That's what I thought he said.
Okay, don't pull those because I bet they're not relevant. Unplug the dash.
That's scary already.
Man, there's a screw sitting right there. Brand new sled with the screw sitting right there.
What else is missing?
Spare parts.
Here, unplug the dash first.
Extras. Don't build anything right if you don't have fucking extras. That wasn't even locked in. I don't know how the fuck to get that off.
Oh, like this. Hold the camera. Just slide that lock back, and then you have to push on that black tab, and then pull out.
Oh, well, they didn't even have it locked.
And then I think it was.
Oh, that's where it goes.
Yeah, it was missing.
Oh, look at that. The screw wasn't even in. Where is it?
Oh shit, it's in there.
Okay. I'll box out.
So then there's that one. You want me to video it?
Yeah, so we take this fucking thing. Sure.
Do it right there.
Look at the size. Oh, these ones right here, Mitch.
Yeah, that's what I just said. Got the body panel change.
Look at the
So you don't have
size
to
of this
touch these.
suitcase in here.
And then now you should be able to pull it apart.
Let me just help the boys out here a bit. Okay, so we just took 2 screws off. One right here. One
You're
right
gonna
there.
do this one too. Right here. That's all part of the same panel. Your hood's a bitch to get
We're gonna
off.
take these screws off. That was one of the complaints I've heard about this chassis. Is the hood is a pain to get out.
You probably gotta unhook your headlights too, don't you?
Probably. Now does it just pull forward? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
There it goes.
I just don't want to do it, Mitch. You do it.
Oh, hold up. Let me get the sensor that comes with it. Map sensor. There we go. Careful when it comes out, because there might
Why
be...
is this coming too?
Yeah, it comes with the whole thing.
Okay,
Pull it out. Oh, pull it out, Dakota. Yeah, pull it out. Okay, hold up. Is there wires? Nothing. You're good. You're
So
clear.
this doesn't have to come apart, the front. Okay.
I'm going to take this little heat shield off, pull the clip, pull the second clip, get it split apart.
And then that'll be your connection there for your can.
Now we got a couple springs here.
You got-
Now we should be able to drop the can. Just put a couple parts out. Here's skid plate we're gonna put on, ski stance adjusters. A couple other things that are kicking around, not sure where all the parts are.
Oh man, this is pretty melting. You have so much shit to fuck with. Look at this, you gotta unhook right here. Because that goes right into it. What's that, an O2 sensor or something?
It's a temp sensor. We're gonna unplug it.
And just never
we're gonna undo it.
Up.
No, we're gonna undo it. It goes in the new can. Oh.
Fuck, that's heavy. See you later, Stinky.
So much room for activities now, holy Christ.
Look at that. The size difference. Looks like a 16 mil or 17 mil.
Just like that.
Man, look at the size difference.
That's where you can actually put those muff pot things in there now.
Well,
Right,
they
like
do
those-
sell muff pots as well that just go on that can. This thing is gonna be so loud.
See the difference you have now.
Now, it should be fairly free.
Since it's fucking brand new.
Yeah.
Psych.
Do you have anti-seize?
Yeah.
Put some anti-seize on those threads. So, looking here, I think the sensor needs to be pointed down. Here, somebody wanna...
Why would they? Oh, so they moved it away from...
Go ahead. Point the sensor lead down, I think. Hey, do you work on race cars?
No, not anymore. Off season.
Here, hold the cam for a sec.
That's not even gonna reach, is it?
No, it's got an extension.
Oh, okay.
Okay, that works there. Then we'll have to get a zip tie or something.
It came with She's gonna scream. Rookie mistake.
Carpenter.
Stupid carpenter.
Stop. There you go. Get an isolator in there. Make sure before you tighten that, so we're seated. Okay, go
Do you
ahead.
want to put these on first, just to make sure?
What type of that?
You took it off, so.
Yeah, that's why I use this. So. See, that shouldn't fly.
Those side cutters are so fucking garbage.
They're pretty bad. Look at them, they're not even straight.
Okay, one second.
Oh my god!
Well, it looks good for just picking it up yesterday. In pieces. The way to go, huh? Oh.
Ow.
Oh, I'm in the way. Turn this up.
I think it was like that.
See how I spread that. Oh, do you know what we didn't do? Was we didn't loosen that clamp off. We just yanked it. Remember he said loosen the clamp? There's
Obviously it wasn't fucking tight enough.
so unthread that.
Oh, right unhooked there.
Obviously it wasn't tight enough. Because it came off very easy.
Yeah. Phillips, I think, Mitch, or something like that.
Yeah. That's a nice screwdriver.
You want to put it on, not pull it forwards or something? Or what's it catching? Catching something.
You have to make sure it's pushed down at the front so that everything grabs.
This one's not. One sec. Why is this not going here? I can just tell by the gap being different.
They see this hook back here, Dakota?
Oh, it's
This
gotta go
goes in
down.
that hook, so spread this out. It's gotta go back a ways more. Oh, I pulled it out at the front. Hold up, pull it back forward. One sec, can I lift this and see how many hooks there are? See this guy here? Pull forward, up in there. Okay. Now it's slid back. That should go back now, Dakota.
It should.
Is it in?
Should be.
Looks like it's in.
Hopefully this thing's in.
Oh yeah, that's what we don't know.
Yeah, just feel.
Can this come off?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's on.
Then you can.
Head washers.
Oh, hold up, hold up. Push that forward, go ahead. Okay, this side. Slide back. No, slide back towards you. Hold up, slide back. No.
Gotcha.
You're off with that?
Put your key in and start it, Mitchie.
Keys behind. Now we can get an after with the can. Here we go.
You would not have said that with that much ease. We would have taken it.